Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate History Channel streaming app. Quick setup step. To activate the History Channel streaming app, first, download the app from your device's app store. Open the app after the installation is complete. You will be greeted by the welcome screen. Select the option to sign in or activate your account. Next, you will see a unique activation code displayed on your screen. Take note of this code, as you will need it shortly. Now, open a web browser on your computer or mobile device. Navigate to the activation website at history.com/activate. Once the page loads, you will be prompted to enter the activation code. Type the code exactly as it appears on your screen. After entering the code, click on the Continue or Submit button. You may need to sign in with your TV provider credentials. Enter your username and password associated with your cable or satellite subscription. Once signed in, you should receive a confirmation message. Return to the History Channel app on your device. The app should now refresh and grant you full access to its content. Browse and enjoy a wide range of History Channel shows and documentaries. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.